In this video, we'll review how to use the Estate Checklist in RightCapital. The Checklist tab, located in the Estate module of each and every client plan, empowers you to help clients keep track of crucial estate planning tasks, all within a living, breathing financial plan. Here, clients can indicate if they've created important legal documents like a will, power of attorney, living will, healthcare proxy, and living trust. In joint plans, the checklist will be split into two columns for the client and the co-client. When a document has been created, check the box next to that item. This will cause additional fields to populate, allowing you to enter the details for that document. For example, once a client has created their will, you'll find additional fields to enter the name of executor, name of guardian, and indicate when the document was last updated. Going forward, you can make updates to the checklist by clicking the pencil and paper icon next to a particular field. Be sure to click the blue check mark to the far right of each field to save your changes. Within the action items at the bottom of the estate checklist, you can click the Notes button in the lower left to add notes to this area. You can also click the Edit button in the lower right to add or remove items from the estate checklist. For more information on the estate checklist in RightCapital, feel free to take a look at our Help Center or to reach out to our advisor support team for more details.